Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the motion. Now we discuss the problem that related to the pulley and create this motion of this block is constant motion. In this case, this is a block and this is a thread and length of this thread is constant and thread is in taut position. It means that यह धागा हमेशा तन्य की स्थिति में है, इसमें टेंशन है, इसमें हमेशा तन्य की स्थिति में है. Now here we take the two blocks, this and this. This is a threaded, neither be compressed nor elongated, and its length is constant. And in the tight positions here, if the motion of this block is this, so that this motion of this comes here, and displacement of this block is S1 and this block is S2, so that in this case the quantity is same because the thread is constant and length of thread is constant and it does not compressible or elongated. Now here, so this quantity is same, x1 equal to x2 and velocity of this block is similar to this block and acceleration produced in this is also equal to this, and these quantity are same. Now take one example here. Now this is a pulley and this is a block attached by the straight. Straight is a constant, so that in this case the displacement in this block and displacement of this is here, this comes here, so that this block comes here, so that this here. Now displacement in this is equal to the twice the displacement of this block here, because here. Now, so that in this case this is a pulley, in this case y equal to 2x and displacement y equal to 2x and dy by dx equal to 2 dx by dt. Speed velocity of this is twice than the velocity of this, and now Vb equal to 2va and acceleration is also create in this is double to produce the acceleration in this block A in this part, so that now we take another problem, that is now example 2 here. In this case, this is the block A and this is block B, and this is pulley, and this is the string over the pulley connected to block B, and this is connected to block A, and here one block suspended it. Find the displacement, velocity and acceleration of these three blocks, block A and block B and block C. We have to calculate the displacement, velocity, acceleration and so on. Now if we do not attach the block C here in the initial positions, or when suspended the block C, then this shape becomes such type of this. After suspending block C here, this comes to hit this point, and block A displays distance x, and block B displays distance y here, and block C, so that block C displacement z here, and block C this comes to this point, suspended the distance x. Now as the thread is non-elongated, non-compressible, in this case total displacement by block A and block B, that is equal to sum of the block C here. Find the displacement, so that displacement of this is equal to sum of this. This is answer. And velocity of block A, velocity of block A and velocity of block B, sum of this is equal to 2 of velocity of block C here, and acceleration also create in the block, that is the VA and AA and AB, that is 2AC, and sum of both the block acceleration, that is equal to the twice the C here, and dA is equal to dV by dt. As you know that rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration, then we can write the A equal to dVA by dt. AB, that is acceleration in block B, is equal to velocity of B with respect to time t, and this is acceleration in the block C, that is equal to d by dt, velocity of C here. Now thus we see that we assume here the pulley is not create the friction here, and the thread is light, move without the friction on the pulley, so that such type of problem we assume that the total displacement is sum of this displacement velocity, sum of this velocity is equal to 2 of velocity C, and acceleration also 2 of acceleration of this C, and such type of this. Now we take the example third, when now here example third here, this is a fixed point, this is a pulley, and this is a string. Length of this string is L. Here this position is L, and this is a height H, and this is X. Velocity is of the block A. Here this is VA, and this comes here, then this block comes here, and velocity of this is VB. Now by the Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square of hypotenuse is square of base into square of height, so that L square is equal to H square plus X square. Differentiating with respect to time heat, d by dt L square equals to d by dt H square plus X square. Length, this is the L square, so that 2L dl by dt equal to, this is the height, this length does not change here, so the differentiation of differentiating with respect to time is this is equal to 0, and d by dt x square 2x dx by dt. Now we assume that VA velocity of block A is dl by dt, and dl by dt here L, and velocity of block B, this place at this x is here, this is this position, and this dx by dt, so that 2L dl by dt is equal to minus VA, so that 2L VA minus 2x VB, so that VA equal to minus plus and x by L VB. Now cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to x by L. X by L can be written as cos theta here, so that VA equal to cos theta VB, VA equal to VB cos theta. Now differentiating it with respect to t here, dV by dt, dVA by dt, that is VA is the velocity of block A. Now differentiate it with respect to t, so that it is denoted by A, capital A, acceleration in the block A, and we apply the first part, so first and second d by dt, differentiation of first, this is same difference, first is same, differentiation of second, so that this can be written as a VP and cos theta VB. Differentiation of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta and d theta by dt. Due to this is negative, so that acceleration in block A is equal to acceleration of block B cos theta minus VB sin theta d theta by dt. At the start motion, when this block to start the motion, in that case VB is a constant and d theta by dt is also a constant, so that putting VA and d theta by dt in this part, this is a 0, so that acceleration in the block A is equal to acceleration in block B cos theta, A equal to AB cos theta. Now we take another example here. Now example 4 here. This is a pulley and attached to block mass 2m, and this mass m. Here in this case tension create T in this T, and here tension is 2T. Now find the acceleration. Now solution of this. Solution of this is a 2m and 2 tension. Now in this case this displacement create double displacement, also create double velocity, and also create double acceleration for this here. Now by Newton's law we apply the Newton's second law at the mass m. Here in this case the force acting in this direction and tension in this direction, so that total resultant force F minus 2T equal to mass into velocity. Mass into acceleration, mass of block is m and acceleration. Let us suppose that acceleration is a, so that f minus 2t equal to m into a. This is the relation 1. And now for mass 2m, this acceleration also will be double, so that 2a. And in this case, moving this t, so that tension T is equal to creating this string is equal to mass into acceleration. This mass is 2m and acceleration is double with respect to this, so that 2m into 2a, that is 4ma. This is a tension force. Now by 1 and 2, putting the value of t in the relation 2, f minus 2t equal to ma. Here f minus 2t equal to 4ma. We put this 4 to the 8ma and comes to here 9ma, so that force equal to 9ma. With the help of this, we calculate the acceleration and total force acting on this system. Now, example 5 here. This is a string B, this is string A. Now, mass of this block is m and mass of this block is 3m. Find out acceleration of both the block, acceleration of this and this, and tension in the string A and string B. Now, free body diagram, we take the free body diagram here. This, we take this block here and mass of this m, so that weight mg acting in downward and tension T in upward. Now net force, this move in up direction, so that T minus mg, this is a net force, and equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is of this block is m, acceleration is a, so that T minus mg is equal to m. This is the relation first. And now take the mass free body diagram for this. This is 3m, weight is 3mg, and tension create here, so that the block moving downward direction, so that 3mg minus t equal to here m minus, here in this case 3mg minus t equal to m is mass of this 3m and a is the acceleration, so that 3mg minus t is equal to 3ma into a. Here we 3mg minus t, here we write t minus mg. In this case, block is moving in this direction, and in this case, block moving downward direction, so that t is greater than the mg. In this case, 3mg is greater than the t, so that moving downward direction. So this, now adding 1 and 2, this t minus cancel, 3mg minus mg, this is a 2mg, and this adding this ma plus 3ma 4ma, so that acceleration a equal to mm cancel and a equal to 2g by 4 and g by 2. This is the acceleration of this block here. Now this is the acceleration of both the block. This is the acceleration of both the block, g by 2. Now tension in string A, tension in this, so that in this create the tension, one is mg, another is t, so that ma plus mg, and A, putting the value of A here g by 2, so that 2 mg or mg, 3 mg by 2, so that tension in the in this string is 3 mg by 2, 3 mg by 2, so that here free diagram of the pulley of string, this free diagram of this for string B. Now pulley is in rest. When pulley is in rest, so net force on pulley is 0. If pulley is rest, 0. So that the T1, this free diagram T1 and T, let us suppose that this is the tension in the string, so that T1 is equal to 2T, and this tension is tension in the string A is 3 mg by 2, putting the value of 3 mg by 2 to cancel, so that tension in B is 3 mg. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.